This is what you've been waiting for, the AI filmmaking toolkit. We've already talked about how AI is changing storytelling and even seen some mind-blowing AI projects. But now it's time to give you the tools you actually need to make this stuff happen. Quick heads up though, AI tools evolve fast. Some of what you see today might look a little different tomorrow. But don't stress, the core ideas remain the same, and this course will keep you up to speed. So grab your notebook, buckle up, and let's break down the AI tools that will power your creative journey. Alright, first up, image generation. Midjourney is one of the most advanced AI art generators out there. It's known for its photorealistic and cinematic images. Midjourney produces 4 image variations per prompt and offers advanced options like upscaling, image remixing, and outpainting to expand images beyond their original frame. This is the best place for professional artists and designers who need high quality stylized visuals. DALL-E 3 is OpenAI's latest text to image generator, known for its ease of use and integration within ChatGPT. It can create a 1024 by 1024 image from a simple natural language prompt. And it also supports image editing features like outpainting and inpainting. Unlike some community-based tools, DALL-E by default keeps your generations private. It struggles with generating readable text and images, but excels in prompt fidelity and photorealism with some policy limits. Stable Diffusion is an open source text to image model that users can run themselves or access via numerous apps. It offers customization and control that many hosted services don't. You can fine-tune the model, use custom styles or community-trained models, and generate images at no cost if you have enough computing power. Ideogram. Ideogram is a newer AI image generator that made waves by solving a key problem, rendering text within images. Developed by former Google Brain researchers, Ideogram can produce typography and graphics with coherent text, which most other generators struggle with. It's great for making posters, logos, and images with stylized captions. The tool also supports a range of art styles: illustration, photography, anime, etc. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's family of generative AI models, integrated into the Creative Cloud ecosystem. Focused on high-quality visual generation, Firefly is designed to integrate seamlessly with tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. Users can upload reference images, specify art styles, lighting, camera angles, and more to guide the output. This fine control, along with Adobe's focus on commercially safe outputs, sets Firefly apart. Okay, last but not the least, Leonardo AI. This is a tool which excels in creating graphic style images, illustrations, and gives you tremendous control over the image generation. This tool is amazing at creating anime style, illustration, or even some concept art. And it also provides you with an editing suite, which can help you fine-tune your images without starting from scratch. This tool is something to watch out for. Moving on, now it's time to look at video generators. You know, the tools that can help you create your movie without using a camera. Alright, first up is Runway ML. Runway ML is a cutting-edge platform offering a suite of AI tools for video creators. Its new Gen 3 model can generate short videos from text prompts, transform existing videos with stylistic effects, and use image to video to animate your images. Runway provides advanced controls. You can adjust camera angles, set keyframes for smooth transitions, use the motion brush to direct movement, and perform in-painting to remove or replace elements in the footage. These features give us a high degree of creative control and is almost like working with a pro video editor, but powered by AI. Runway is great for filmmakers, video professionals, and ambitious creators exploring AI for VFX and ideation. Next up is Google VO2. VO2 offers up to 8-second clips with photorealistic outputs and strong physics simulation. It's currently available via FreePic and other such AI aggregator tools. Next up, Kling. Kling utilizes advanced AI techniques to generate videos from text and image references, producing lifelike movements. It offers both free credits with limitations and paid plans for higher quality videos. But Kling is one of the cheapest video generators out there. Minimax. Minimax is currently available through Hailuo AI and generates 5-second clips, but provides us with tremendous control with their new director mode, which delivers impressive visual quality. Next up, LumaLabs Dream Machine. Dream Machine focuses on photorealism and speed, offering high quality text to video and image to video generation. Their new Ray 2 model is supposed to be even faster and cheaper. Alright, coming to Sora by OpenAI. Sora is one of the most intelligent video creators out there. Users can generate videos up to 1080p and 20 seconds in duration, with features like storyboarding, remix, and recut for creative editing. Sora is integrated into the ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscriptions, offering accessible AI-driven video creation. But if you want to use Sora consistently, it can get super expensive. Sora, for me, is a little bit of a gamble. Alright, next up, Pika Labs. Pika is basically Runway for the people. It's fast, intuitive, great looking, and widely accessible. Now, the latest version of Pika Labs is Pika 2.5. This update introduces Pika Frames, a feature that allows users to create videos up to 10 seconds in length with unique transitions between photos. Pika Labs has also released an iOS app which brings its AI video creation tools to mobile devices. Now, on to text-based AI. These are your co-writers, brainstorming buddies, and script editors. ChatGPT generates ideas, writes scripts, and edits dialogue. It's your escape hatch if you ever get a writer's block. Moving on to Claude. Claude is great if ChatGPT feels a little too robotic because it has more nuanced, human-like text generation and writes with more flow. Next up, Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI for text generation. And if you're researching while writing, Gemini pulls real-time information better than most other AIs. Finally, Nolan. Nolan is a AI-powered screenwriting tool that understands proper screenplay formatting. Although I haven't gotten great results from Nolan yet, but it is definitely a tool to watch out for if you're going to use AI for screenplay writing. Now let's talk about audio tools, because what's a great film without great sound? ElevenLabs is the best AI voiceover tool and it's super realistic. Udio can generate music tracks based on style and mood. Moving on to Suno AI. Suno AI is a text-to-music composer. Next up, Stable Audio. Stable Audio has AI-powered soundtrack and background score creation. And finally, Artlist and Pixabay are stock music libraries with AI-assisted search features. There you have it, the AI filmmaking toolkit. We're going to be breaking these tools down one by one throughout this course, but for now, you've got a full picture of what's out there. So, my question to you, which tool are you most excited to try first? And more importantly, what are you going to create?